it took this creator no more than around 2 hours to create a TikTok shop affiliate video, which made them $300,000 in commissions. This is a very bold claim. I'm excited to walk you through this case study and show you the proof and show you the step-by-step process that this creator followed in order to get the results. All the resources I'm going to be talking about are going to be linked in the description. Also, feel free to jump in there if you want to check out my free TikTok shop affiliate course. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like, and if you watch all the way up until the end and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. So I'm in Shoplus here, which is one of my favorite spy tools for TikTok shop affiliate. The product firstly that we're talking about here is the 15-day cleanse, gut and colon support. This is the product that the creator was promoting. So this is $14.40, obviously, as you can see, and for every affiliate that promotes and sells this product, they get 20% commission. So that means every sale you make of £14.40, you get given 20% of that into your pockets. Now, the crazy thing about the creator, this is the video that they generated. They made in total $1.3 million in revenue. So this is not commission, this is revenue. Now, this is where it gets insane, because out of this, they then get paid 20% commission from that. And as we've seen here, the product carries 20% commission. So 20% of $1.3 million, $300,000. The video was uploaded on the 3rd of May, 2024. But I know that was a long time ago, but bear with me because this product is a product that has been consistently selling and performing on TikTok. It was selling clearly in March when they started. And as you can clearly see, it's still trending as one of the top 5 most sold products in the USA. For the last month, it's at number 4, still at the top. So this is one of those evergreen, consistently performing products. It doesn't matter if it's winter, summer, Christmas, Easter. What process did this creator follow exactly? So let's talk about what they likely did. So the first thing they would have done is use a tool like Shoplus to find what products are trending. This makes it infinitely easier and quicker for you to be able to achieve that goal. The key thing that you can do, which I love about Shoplus, is you can also look at what other creators are promoting that very same product. You can see exactly how much commission they are making promoting the same product. Now, the next step that they likely would have followed is getting the product in their hands. Easiest way you can do this is by going to somewhere like Amazon, where you can look for that product. Now, I couldn't find that specific product exactly here. Some of the products you will find on Amazon, some of them you won't, but when you do find it, you can just order it for next day delivery. If you don't find it, don't worry. You can also order that product directly from TikTok. You can buy it from TikTok shop. Again, it'll be a similar price to what we can see on the product page here, around $14. They could have purchased it directly from TikTok shop. Alternatively, another option that you get as a TikTok shop affiliate is you can ask for a sample directly from the shop. So from there, once they had the product in hand, the next thing they had to do is create the video. Now, the video is here. It's a very, very straightforward video. There's nothing fancy. There's no fancy effects. There's no fancy editing. It's literally just this gentleman talking about the product, talking about their results and how they've found using the product. They get on the scales. They show the transformation that they've had. In some cases, you don't even need to have had a transformation yet. You might just be getting on the scales and telling people that, look, I am about to try this product. I've seen that it's really popular. I've heard stories online, people talking about it and having some really good transformations, cleansings, and feeling much better, gut health much better. So you don't necessarily have to be someone that's been using the product for like the last 6 months. You could just honestly just be jumping on the video saying, hey, I'm going to give this a try now. This is where I'm at. Or if you want to wait a day or two to try the product out and see how you feel and then make the video, you can do so as well. Now, this is in Spanish, I believe. So I can't Spanish or another, or I don't know what the language is exactly, but so I can't really understand what they're saying in the video. However, you can get the gist of the video just from watching it. They're literally just talking about their experience. They've got the product in hand and they're promoting the product there. And the crazy thing, guys, is you don't even have to go that hardcore promoting the product. You're not asking people to buy it, get it every 2 seconds. You're literally just talking about the experience and you're telling people you've got a link that they can purchase the product from at somewhere within your video. You don't even need to say a couple of times. In some cases, just once or twice does it. Then TikTok does the rest. We can also see as well, which is quite interesting, that this wasn't pushed by ads. If it had been pushed by ads, if I show you guys, you can clearly see the ones that are ad driven here. So those are UGC videos where creators created the videos and the shops paid to push the video within TikTok. They managed to drive 16.6 million views so far, and as mentioned earlier, they generated 1.3 million in sales, and the commission amount they would have received is of course 20% off that. Not even that big of a creator as well, 48k followers. The fourth step after creating the video is they would have had to, of course, upload the video on TikTok. This is their profile here. As you can see, they've got a bunch of different videos. That's pretty straightforward. You just upload it as you normally would do any other video, put in the relevant hashtags. And again, because you've got a tool like Shoplus, you can spy on what hashtags people are using, what they're saying in their videos, and you can essentially see what works here. You don't have to spend hours and hours trying to find the right hashtags because all of that information is on all these other videos here. Shoplus also allows you to download the video script, so you can literally spy on what other people are saying in their videos. You can read the script, you can chuck it into ChatGPT or another AI tool, get it to rewrite it for you, and you can essentially use what already works. The fifth thing is, of course, consistency. You have to keep uploading if you are serious about making that extra bread from TikTok. As you can see, they just kept going, kept uploading, and just kept moving forward. They didn't just upload once and stop. This is the video that we're talking about here. This one that's got 16.6 million. They've got some decent views on the other videos as well, but ultimately the one that changed things for them is this one here. Now 16.6 million views. You will never get that many views on platforms like YouTube, for example, especially for videos that have affiliate products within them. There are only a very few creators that are able to do that online, and that is beyond life-changing money. Imagine if he had received 16.6 million views on a video that hasn't got an affiliate product, on a video that even maybe didn't even qualify for the creator rewards program and got nothing for it. There are hundreds of thousands of people in that position currently on TikTok, but in this case, they worked smartly. Every video that they uploaded has got a product that is being promoted, so that when the video does go viral and they get a ton of sales from them, even if it doesn't go viral, they're probably getting a few decent sales from their different videos as well. So really interesting case study there. $300,000 commission from a 81-second long video as a TikTok shop affiliate. All the resources I've talked about again will be linked in the description. You can check out Shoplus, linked in the description. I've got a free TikTok shop affiliate beginner course that you can check out as well, which will be linked in the description. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.